This is probably one of the best strategies I have ever came across in ICT. And the reason I say that is because I've been trading this model for the past 2 years. I have had consistent profits. I have passed multiple XFA accounts, and I honestly just can't ask for anything more. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. I want to get right into the video. I'm going to show you a little example as to what the strategy really is. And then I'm going to dive into a live example that I actually took in real life. So let's not waste too much time. Let's get right into the video. So first thing, starting out, say this is the chart. So say we're on the hourly time frame, the 1 hour. Right here, what do we have? We have a buy side liquidity, which means there's a bunch of people in this area that are waiting to get filled to get into a short position, or there's a bunch of stop losses. Now what we want to look for is a SMT. SMTs are a divergence between NAS and ES. And what would also be nice, it's not like you don't need it, but would also be nice is a fair value gap on the higher time frame in the 1 hour pushing. So we have both an SMT, buy side, and a fair value gap. Now coming to the 1 minute time frame or 5 minute, whichever one is perfectly fine. Now right here, you would look for a manipulation leg, which is also a buy side liquidity. Then you can look for a market structure shift or a change of a state. Take your short tool. Second, we have a retrace. Right here would be your entry, and you would target all the way down to previous lows. So this is literally the strategy in a nutshell. It's very simple. It's not difficult. So I'm going to show you a live example right now. So having ES on the left and NQ on the right, both on the 1 hour time frame, what's one thing we see right away? Well, first thing we see is we have this SMT. So let's mark that out. We have that SMT and SMT as well on ES. So this is already a very nice indication that we might want to start rejecting. Now, what do we see? On S&P, we have the buy side liquidity, and on NAS, we have the buy side liquidity. Now, yes, I understand on NASDAQ, we didn't actually take the buy side liquidity, but on ES, we did take the buy side liquidity. So right now on the 1 minute, when we jump down, I would be looking for any type of indication to take a short, because I see ES already took that buy side, which is indicating that we are ready for our push down. One thing that I almost forgot to mention is another indication is that on NQ, NASDAQ, we also have the fair value gap. So everything has aligned. Everything is telling me on the higher time frame that we are ready and that we have fulfilled all the rules that we want to start rejecting downwards. So let's not jump into the trade just yet. We come down to the 1 minute. Now, this is where the smart money plays. Come down to the 1 minute. What do we see? We see our manipulation leg. So very beautiful. Now, let's not jump into the trade just yet. We have our market structure shift marked out. So we wait right here. Humongous candle. So I don't want to miss that candle. That's a pretty big candle. So what do we do? Standard deviation from the highs to the lows. And we're going to take our sells right here, just so we don't miss the move. Bang. And right at that -2 would be our full take profits. So it's honestly as easy as that. Now, I can't actually go to the 30-second unless I would. Then you would be able to catch this move on the 30-second. So I can't go down. I'm stuck on the 1 minute, but you get the point. It's honestly as simple as that. Like, I really can't fathom this, how easy this strategy is. Buy side liquidity, SMT, fair value gap, 1 hour time frame, 1 minute. You have manipulation leg, market structure shift. Bang. It's so crisp. It's like, I don't know what else you can ask for. Anyways, guys, I hope you really liked the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you want me to make a video on next. Honestly, guys, I really do appreciate all the support you're giving. Also, let you know down below, I'm not asking for any money. I do have a Discord if you want to check it out. It's completely free, just a place to chill because trading could get a bit lonely. So down below, Discord link, join. We can talk during New York session. And yeah, hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.